Solar price in 2026 you need to know. If you are going for a solar installation, they have some certain amount of price you need to know about. If that price is more than that, then there is something wrong somewhere. If not, they are going to raise price for you or cheat you. So in this video, mentioning from 1 kVA inverter down to 5 kVA inverter solar installation, so that you will know some of them price. But it depends, most of them price are different based on brand and other things. A lot of installers or agents are now overcharging you for installation that's not supposed to reach that amount. They must give you a 3.5 kVA inverter for 1.5 kVA or 1 kVA. You need to avoid this. So watch out for this video, as I'm going to mention some of them price so that you won't be cheated. Number one, a 1.5 kVA inverter. A 1.5 kVA inverter costs between 850,000 naira to 1.2 million naira, depending on brand or company. A lot of people giving 2 kVA inverter price for 1.5 kVA inverter. This is what they're using, cheating people and making money from them. And a 1.5 to 2 kVA inverter is of so many limits. It carries OLED TV, your decoder, your fan, and charging of phones, nothing more. This is what a 1.5 kVA inverter does in the house. So do not buy a 1.5 kVA expecting it to carry more, or else your battery will die so quick. So knowing this will save you a lot of money. 2.5 kVA inverter to 2 kVA inverter. The price of 2.5 kVA to 2 kVA inverter is between 1.5 million naira to 2.5 million naira. This depends on brand and quality. A lot of people can give you a low quality inverter and still sell it cheaper for you. A 2.5 kVA inverter is mostly for young people who have laptop or doing online business that just want to power only their laptop, power bank, and other things needed in their house. This 2.5 kVA inverter can carry your TV, your fan, your decoder, and charge some power bank and other things in the house. It mostly lasts more than a 1.5 kVA inverter. Number 3, 3.5 kVA to 3 kVA inverter. A 3.5 kVA inverter worth between 2.5 million naira to 4 million naira. This depends on the brand and quality price. This is a big type of installation. A lot of people can use this. These are depend for family houses, like people who have more things to do at home. This can carry your TV, your decoder, charge your phone, carry your house fan, and small AC. This can hardly carry fridge, or it can carry a little fridge if you have one, not big one. But what a 3.5 kVA inverter cannot carry is a big freezer or fridge. It cannot carry pressing iron, especially a big pressing iron, or else the inverter will start dimming loud. 5 kVA inverter. This 5 kVA inverter is a very big inverter size that costs a lot. It can carry almost everything that you have in your house. It can carry your fridge, your AC, pressing iron, every single thing at home. But it's still of limit. It can't carry so many freezer at the same time or so many iron plug at the same time. A lot of businessmen use this in their business to save money, especially those who use and mostly use light. This 5.5 kVA is mostly used by people who have big house because it's so expensive. The price range from about 5 million naira and above, depending on quality and brand. This is why you need to know the amount of energy your house consumes, so that you will not get an oversized installation or undersized installation, because this depends on amount of energy you need in your house. You might be giving an energy too much for your house. This will make you lose more money, and you can be giving a energy too small and you overplug it with a lot of items in your house, and it will burn down or pull down the inverter straight. Calculating the right amount of energy you need in your house so important. That's why you need a solar installer to calculate your house energy well, and you show him what you do not need in your house and what you need in your house. So this video is made for you to understand many things about installation. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.